What's up, YouTube? My name is CJ Knows Tech. Today, I'm sharing one of my biggest secrets behind the success of a lot of my videos. Now, I use this secret in every single video. You may or may not notice. I'm gonna share it with you, player. I got you. I'm not selfish. And that secret is sound. This video is being brought in part to you, sponsored by Epidemic Sound, baby. Now, Epidemic Sound is a place that I go to get all of my sound effects and music, so that way I have proper licensing to avoid any type of copyright strikes from YouTube. I'm trying to keep my YouTube channel. I will get more in depth about Epidemic Sound at a later portion of this video, but right now we're gonna focus on sound design. What do you mean sound? CJ, I'm not talking about the secret that everyone talks about when they talk about your sound quality with your mic and that helping your videos. That's extremely important. We can touch, we're not gonna talk about that. I'm gonna talk about the real nitty gritty, and it is sound design. What is sound design exactly? It's the way that I use sound to capture your attention and to break up the monotony of a video and to keep it fresh, live, and vibrant. It also can share the mood of the moment in the video. It can just change the whole way that someone perceives the video in that moment as soon as that sound is activated. If you don't know, I come from an audio sound engineering background. You know the person in the studio that's in front of the mixing board when your favorite rapper or singer or artist is in the booth making the sound? Well, guess what? They're making that sound out of their vocal cords, but I'm the one making sure I capture that sound and the essence of that sound in the most cleanest, purest, and I'm adding effects to that sound to help it translate to you in a more appealing fashion. Same thing goes for video. Audio engineers, they make the movie what it is. Have you ever seen a movie scene from just the raw recording footage and then the after effect of people who have Foley art and the sound engineers once they add all of those sounds? When you see a movie scene and they're in the mall and all of this stuff, those sounds are added in there. They add the mall ambiance. Or if they're outside, I can add crickets. I can add the sound of whatever sound is of nighttime and outside, like birds, and I can add lions and whatever. I can add any animal sound I want to a scene to help your brain activate to be more immersed in that experience. Sound is the way that we interact with our everyday experience. That's why you need to use sound design in your videos to help take them to the next level. All of your great creators use sound in a strategic way. They sound design their videos so that they activate things in your brain, and they also improve the experience. You guys gotta understand, when you watch your favorite content creator and a certain sound that they use every time just to let you know that this is coming or this is a certain mood or a certain act in their video, the whole point is the fact that they use that sound, that music, to activate that. If I have the same sound that comes on when there's a certain transition for a certain episodic video that I create, then it creates and sets the tone for that transition. When you make a transition in a video and you do it with no sound, okay, it was visually. It just only activated my visual. But if I make that transition and I have a sound added to this transition, now, not only did I activate your visual, I activated your audio. And that is an immersive experience. You guys have to make the experience more lively, more interactive with your viewers. That's what makes your video content and video quality and just your overall video entertainment experience that much more better, that much more pro, that much more phenomenal, that much more entertaining. You guys have to understand, it's extremely hard to keep a person's attention. I'm using sound in my vocal cords in different ways just to keep your attention now. And I'm also adding in these sound effects and music tones. Every single video I record has a slight music background in it because I understand that will help keep the video fresh, alive, and it also just kind of adds a vibe to it. Depending on the mood of the music, the feeling, which is another dope thing. You can pick music by mood, feelings, emotion. And these things will help convey that to your viewer. Extremely important. Now, what I wanna show you guys, I gotta give you examples. I gotta show you how this is used. Now, I'm gonna show you a small portion of my PC build but I used a strong cinematic, strong transition, strong sound design in this video clip. And you guys are gonna be able to watch it and see how I use sound to just convey the experience. Now this video has no vocal audio. It's all visual and sound design. Check it out. Now that video is absolutely fire, and I must say that this custom PC behind me is absolutely fire, as you saw. If you guys are into that kind of stuff, you can check out that video. But you have to take note as to how I use sound design in that video. There's also other times when I'm telling people to subscribe, I say smash that subscribe button, hit notifications. I can have audio behind that. I like to use an explosion. I like to use a boom. I like to use it because it has energy. And I grabbed all of these sound effects and music backtracks from Epidemic Sound. Let me talk to you real quick about Epidemic Sound. Now, I've been using Epidemic Sound since the beginning of my YouTube career. You can go back to my earliest videos and I'm using Epidemic Sound in them. And the reason being, I have a background in audio and in the music industry, and I understand copyright. And I know that I can't just go use anyone's music or sound effects without their permission. That's where Epidemic Sound comes into play. By using their services and subscribing to their monthly fees, you are covering yourself. As long as I have a subscription that is active with Epidemic Sound, which I'm giving you a free 30-day trial by hitting my link down in the description below. As long as you're using it within, whether it's just that 30-day trial or within your active subscription, you have the clearance from Epidemic Sound on any audio used, meaning all copyright strikes are avoided. For all of the years that I've been on YouTube, I've been using Epidemic Sound flawlessly without any hiccups. Before I had any affiliation with Epidemic Sounds, I was using Epidemic Sound. And I say that just to show that I genuinely used my knowledge of copyright to inform myself that I needed a setup like Epidemic Sound. Once I used them and I gave them a try and I seen that it was all legit, it's fire content on there. You guys, the library is extensive. It's humongous. There's everything. You can pick your music by mood. If you're creating a scene and you need a sad mood, you can grab that music and create that sad mood. If you're picking a scene with energy and happiness, you can pick a song or backtrack for that happiness or scene. There's music with vocals. There's music from real artists that have signed agreements with Epidemic Sound to license their music through Epidemic Sound for your use. One of my favorite ones that I like to use is MBHD Nick. You guys know he's always on every single outro of my videos, and when I live stream, I'm using it as well. Oh yeah, that's right. You can use Epidemic Sound on Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You can cover all of those social platforms all under your creator subscription. Absolutely fire. Check out the 30-day trial down in the description below in that link. So let's say you got your sound effects, you got your Epidemic Sound 30-day free trial. What do you do now? You go on the website, you search for the sound effects you want, whether it's a car starting up or keys or footsteps and so forth. You get all of those sound effects. And what do? You grab your backing music, you grab your emotions and so forth, and you sound design your scene. Trust me, you guys, don't just put a super dope glitch transition without the super dope glitch sound because it wouldn't be a glitch transition without the sound of the glitch and having a glitch transition happen visually. It just goes together and it makes that glitch transition that much more effective. I'm teaching you guys higher quality, pro level video editing and design by telling you literally to grab sound effects, grab transition effects, grab backing music, grab music with live vocals and convey the mood of your scenes. Watch a movie, pay attention to the sounds. Understand that a lot of those sounds that are natural sounds like footsteps and mall environments and nighttime environments are all added in with emphasis. A lot of those have been recorded from real environments and taken and used in the movie environments. Because a lot of movies are filmed on sets where they don't have that natural sound, where the sound is controlled so that they can get the best audio performance from their talent. So what do you have to do? You have to install those sounds. A lot of it is called Foley art. Look it up. Do your research. Understand. I am giving you hardcore facts. And I'm also helping you take your video creation level to the next level on YouTube. That's what this whole video is about. I'm trying to help you. I want to do more videos helping creators. And I want to do these dope tips. And I don't mind partnering up with Epidemic Sound to do it. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech. Please, guys, take a chance to experiment with using sound design to take, hold on, what? I can't even talk. Take a chance using sound design to improve your video production quality and watch your YouTube video retention rate grow, and just overall, maybe your views might go up. I can't guarantee that because y'all know how it is on YouTube, but I can guarantee you more engaging videos, which will equate to more views essentially. You know what I mean? Disclaimer, YouTube is YouTube, and you know how the YouTube algorithm works, and it's not just off your sound design. There's a lot of different other factors that go into a video to make it boom and get views, and I'll do more videos about that. I got more videos coming up helping you guys use these dope secrets to get better video performance on YouTube. Views and all that good stuff. Y'all know what y'all want. Y'all want more money and more views. I ain't stupid. I know what it is. It's about the money paper.